What's going on, Custom Fam? What's going on, Custom Fam? Look, man, I just dropped a video today. We painted the Parascene for my birthday. It's outside the gate right now. I just got it posted up. I'm probably finna run to the excuse me, hiccups. I'm probably finna run to the paint store right quick and get me some more reducer. Cause I'm working on this Go Kart like I told y'all, trying to go ahead and get it knocked out. We're going with a two-tone. It's gonna be blue and orange. This the second one I did for this customer. Here, I actually painted a Benji before I started the channel, and it came out clean, real clean. Matter of fact, when I deliver this, I'll probably show y'all that. So, a couple of things I'm gonna be using today. The customer provided his own material. I've been having this stuff for a few months. So he gave me this orange and this blue, and he got some Euro clear super gloss. That's crazy clear, and this Roberto hot solids. So he had good material and stuff like that, but of course didn't know how to paint. So when I came back to town, that was just right up his alley. Started, well, this is 3 coats of the orange. Got that painted, got that painted, got that painted. So what I have to do now is let it dry, because I'm gonna try to do like a two-tone and mask some of this off, and then it's gonna be and paint my blue. So it's gonna look nice and decent when we finish, and then they'll put it back all together, of course, get the motor on it. It should be a pretty nice go-kart. But it's the Benji I was telling y'all about that I had painted. Yeah. So they be having plans on. Right, Custom Fam. This is where we at with the Go Kart. It's been raining a couple of days. I'm gonna have to completely redo this, clean up this mess. But I got orange pieces painted. But besides that, I got that joker on the trailer. I'm finna finish up and paint it on the trailer, get it out of here. But this was the hardest part to me, trying to give them a two-tone on something like this, which ain't usually difficult, you know. But so I got the orange painted, got the fenders and the shocks painted orange. So I got those wrapped up, covered up. So I'm gonna go ahead and shoot the correct blue on here, which is a like a royal blue. Get that shot, then get it unmasked, get it cleared, get it loaded up, get Buddy out of here. See the Chrysler gone. trying to clear house, work on my own stuff. All right, this the blue we're gonna be painting. Nice little dark royal blue. Said that the customer provided. Go ahead and get that shot on there. And we'll see what it do. Oh yeah, we're gonna be using the Drizzle D1. The drizzle for shizzle. Okay, fam. It's the final results. The best I can do for Buddy. Tired of looking at it. Let this dry a few hours. And I'm gonna go and take it around here. Not bad. Got the wheels orange. Oh wow. Some messing around here. Kept the gas tank blue. Let this dry. And I'm done with it, gang. Appreciate y'all. Don't beat me up too bad in the comments.